Hi guys, in today's video we will be reviewing the Walmart beauty box. I just received this in the mail about 5 minutes ago. I wanted to open it up with you guys to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it is. It says Walmart Beauty on here. When I ordered this is like it's not a subscription because it's not something that automatically renews. You have to go in there to request it whenever they become available, and I believe they become available every season. So this is the winter season one that's available, and it was $5 for shipping. It was total $5. That's all I paid for it, but it did take about 3.5 weeks to get to me. So I even forgot about it, and I thought, what's wrong with my Walmart box? Where is it? So I finally got it. I think it took about I ordered it at the end of December, so I just got it. Today's November 31st, so it could have even taken maybe 4 weeks to get it. I don't remember. It's been a while since I ordered it, but this is what it looks like, and you know, it's a pretty box. I think I'm gonna keep the actual box because it's sturdy. It doesn't feel like a cardboard box or anything like that. It's actually pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let's see what kind of goodies we have in here. So I'm opening this up. It does come wrapped in plastic, which is great because the box itself is nice and you don't want anything to spill, you know, and to get stolen or anything, and they seal it up so that nothing falls. It does feel pretty heavy. Like, it feels like there's a good amount of whatever it is in here. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, so this says, celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world. Beautybox.walmart.com. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. That's super cute. I really do like this box, and I'm sure I'm gonna keep it around and use it for something. And look at how fancy, like, for it being Walmart, because we all know Walmart is Walmart, and for it being Walmart, like, this is a really nice box for $5. Like, you can't beat that. And initially I can see that there's a ton of stuff in here, which I really wasn't expecting for $5. So let's dig in and see what's in here. So the first thing in here that I see, let me fold up this tissue paper. We have Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Locks in hydration at skin's peak. This, I've actually used it before, and it's a product that I'm about. Like, it's okay, but I don't know if it's my cup of tea. My daughter actually loved it the last time I had this, so I'm gonna give this sample to her. But it is an actual good size sample, and I can see that it's filled like all the way to the top. Some people do have complained in the past about samples being like only halfway full, but I can see that it is filled like all the way up here. So this is a good size travel size, sample size. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And this says it's with refreshing coconut oil, and it's 1.5 fluoride ounces. So if you don't know how to use this, so what you do is you after you shower, but before drying off your skin, so before like toweling yourself off, you put this on, and this is supposed to soak up all that moisture, the water in your skin, and like to retain the water so that your skin stays nice and soft. Again, like I said, it's not really my cup of tea, but my daughter loved it, so I'm gonna give this one to her. So that was sample number 1 in there. I don't know how many products are in here. I don't have a paper that shows it, or maybe I do. No, I don't have a paper, so we'll see. So that was 1. And then this is something that I've actually been wanting to try. It's called Impress Press-On Manicure One-Step Gel. You know, when I think about press-on nails, I think about the press-on nails from when I was a kid, that you would put them on and it had like a little sticker. I don't know if these are like that, but it had like a little sticker, and they would just like kind of sit up here. So if you touched anything, like they would fling off, or like they'd get stuck in something. That I know nails have come a long way since back years ago when I was a kid, but that's what I think of, and I've actually been wanting to try them again. I just don't know what brand, and I don't want to waste my money on something I'm not going to really use. So I'm super excited that I got these in the mail, and I love the color. It's like a little corally color with like stripes in there. So I'm definitely going to use these, and I'll let you know how I like those. So that's number 2, sample number 2. The next sample is Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream. All right, let's be honest. I need wrinkle cream here and here, and look when I smile there, here. I need this bad boy. So I'm super excited to try this out. I've never had a wrinkle cream. For some reason, I tell myself I'm not old enough to need a wrinkle cream, but yes, I am. I need a wrinkle cream. So let's try this on. We're gonna not try it on, but I'm definitely gonna try this and see how I like it. So that's product number 3. The next thing that I love is deodorants. Look, nobody wants you walking around stinking. Let's be real honest. I'll try any kind of deodorant out there. I'm not a super fan of the spray ones. I like the bar ones like this, and this is a full size. It's not a trial, and I know it's Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Invisible Gold, and this is 2.6 ounces. So I know that this is not a sample size. The sample or travel size are like this big, and this one's a full size bottle. So I'm not full size bottle, but a full size. So I'm definitely gonna try this out because I don't like to be stinky. I'm super paranoid about it, and deodorant is everybody's best friend. So we're gonna keep that, make sure we try that out, see how it works. So that was sample number 4. So the next thing in here is Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream Radiance Renewal with coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter. I think that's how you pronounce it. Exfoliates and nourishes visibly dry skin. All right, so I'm gonna tell you guys a little story. My mom has the softest hands on planet Earth. I don't know what she does. I think it's magic. I don't know where she gets said magic, but I aspire to have soft hands like my mom. So I'm a sucker for lotions. I have lotion sitting on my desk, on my makeup dresser, everywhere, in my purse, next to my shower as soon as I get out, like wherever I need to have lotion, I have it, because I swear I don't know how that lady does it, but her hands are as soft as magic, and that is my goal. So this is gonna definitely come in handy. So I'm definitely gonna try that. Oh, look what I was doing. What a mensa. That's the back. So this is the front right here. This is what it looks like, and I'm definitely gonna be trying that out because, like I said, I want hands that feel like magic, like my mama. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was sample number 5. And then the next things in here are like little, let me just show you. So the next thing in here, it says it's a temporary root concealer, instant gray root coverage, $2 off. Maybe I should cover that. All right, here's the thing with this. I want to do this. And the reason I want to do that is because I was just talking about having to cover my gray hair today. My hair is black. I don't dye it. This is its natural color. But oh my Lord, look what I just did. Oh, let's calm that puppy down. I have started finding gray hairs, especially like around here and like randomly back here. And because my hair is so black, they stand out so much. And I was like, I need to dye my hair. I need to go to the nearest beauty store or somewhere and get the blackest of black hair color that they dye, because I don't think it shows, you can see it really on camera, but my hair is pitch black. So those gray hairs really stand out. So I think Walmart just sent me a sign of what I need to do with that gray hair. Whatever, Walmart. Okay, so the next thing I have, it says, reveal your natural beauty from Found. I don't know. This is just like an announcement. Not announcement, a flyer. It just says skin loving, results driven skincare and color cosmetics. Try our entire collection. So it's just a flyer. I don't see like any product of this, but it's just like giving you a heads up on like their new products that they have, or maybe a new brand that they're carrying. I'm not sure. So there's that. And then the next thing is $3 off Olay Luminous Facial Moisturizer. That's one word I can't say. The other one is Physician. I can't say it. Don't ask me. So then this one is, it has a little sample on here, which I'm glad, because I've been looking for new moisturizer for my face. So I'm excited to try that out. And then on the back of it, it does have a $3 coupon. So I'm definitely going to test this out, see how I like it. If I like it, I get $3 off if I decide to buy it. Oh, duh. Here's the, okay, you know how I said that this was just a flyer to tell you guys about the new product? That's not true. There's something else in here that I hadn't seen. It's a charcoal sheet mask. So I just got one of these in my Ricky's NYC subscription box. It's not the exact one, it's a different one, but it is a charcoal mask, which I'm super excited to try out. So I'm definitely gonna give this one a try too. I love this charcoal, you know, trend that's going on right now. So we'll try it out and see how we like it. And that's it, that's all I got. So my honest opinion of this is probably the best value subscription box I've ever gotten. And even though it's not an actual subscription, like you have to go in there and subscribe, you know, request the boxes, the samples I received are well worth well over $5. I think this alone is $5 and it's not a sample. And then on top of that, you know, we got the face, we got the nails, we got the 2 lotions up in here. So I'm super excited, plus the other little sample and a coupon. I'm really happy with this box. I wasn't sure what to expect because I've never ordered it before, but I'm really happy that I did. I love this little box that it comes in. It's really sturdy. You can keep it, use it for a gift or whatever it might be that you might want to use it for. But I highly recommend it. I'll put the I'll see if I can put a link down below. I'm not sure, but it is called the Walmart Beauty Box, and they're only seasonal, so I don't know if there's any more available, but you can definitely try. I'm waiting for the Target Beauty Box to come out as well. I haven't ordered it yet because they're not available yet, but if you guys see it before I do, please let me know so that I can request it. Again, for this beauty box, I'm totally in it. I'm gonna keep subscribing, looking out for it so that I can order it whenever I see it come up available. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like the products, you know, if you've ordered them before, what you guys have received, if you thought it was worth it or not. For me, that was way more than a $5 value, but you guys let me know what you guys think. Please leave me comments, suggestions, anything you guys might want me to review, or any subscriptions out there that you guys think you might like to see but are iffy about. Let me know. We'll try it out together and see what we like. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please tell all your friends and family members about it. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, anything, you can feel free to leave me comments down below. But just remember, I am extremely sensitive, so be nice to me. And thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.